It's been a cloudy afternoon here in Starkville. We have complete cloud coverage across the campus of Mississippi State, and it's been very muggy. Our dew point's currently 60 degrees here in Starkville, and our temperature is 74. And we're only going to see that temperature rise as the evening progresses. We're going to get as high of 77 here in Starkville. But our folks to the northeast are going to see a little cooler temperatures because they have some cloud coverage sticking around. Whereas our folks in Macon are going to see a little warmer temperatures, 78 degrees, but not much variation across the entire area, just 6 degrees difference. And then tonight, we're going to see temperatures sitting in the upper 50s, lower 60s, and we're all going to be sitting in those cooler temperatures. So just make sure you have a little light jacket if you plan on going out tonight. It's going to be a little chillier. And then for tomorrow, we have a high of 80 degrees with isolated showers coming about in the afternoon. It's still going to be super warm though, with wind around 5 miles per hour. So again, not very windy, but there is that chance of isolated showers, scattered showers popping up into our area tomorrow. So let's look at that. We have that cloud coverage sticking around Sunday morning, and then we have those chances of scattered showers popping into our area. Here in Starkville, you see that little glimpse of green. That's where our showers are possibly going to come from. And then we see those scattered showers just sticking around. Then they slowly move out of our area, and then we have cloud coverage return again on Monday afternoon, where our folks around I-22 do have another chance of getting some more isolated showers. But it's not going to be much. We're looking at trace to minimal rain here across the northeast Mississippi, and that's going to not help us in our drought conditions, but we're going to talk about that in a minute. But first, let's talk about this tropical disturbance here. It's got a 50% chance of turning into a tropical cyclone. We're going to know more in the next 7 days, but there is a chance that it will come into our southern states here in the United States, but we're going to keep an eye on that. Just for a heads up, there is that disturbance though. So again, just make sure you are aware. But for the next, beyond the 7 days, we have a chance of precipitation coming, and hopefully that will help us with our drought conditions, because currently we're sitting in severe here in Starkville. And so maybe that rain that does come in the next, beyond the 7 days, will help us out of these drought conditions, even in the states of Alabama. So fingers crossed for that. And then again, just a recap, Sunday, 20% chance of rain. We're going to be sticking in those temperatures around the lower to up to the mid 80s. And then our lows are all going to be generally in the same variation of lower 60s, upper 50s. And then on Friday, we see another chance of rain coming about, but it's only 10%. So we're going to keep an eye on that, but we're not expecting much rain to come.